Hello, welcome. Today we will explore on warehouse challenges and possible solutions. Warehouse management involves various processes, and challenges can arise that impact efficiency, productivity, and overall operations. Let's look at some common warehouse problems and their potential solutions. Accidental redundancy. Issue. In large warehouses, multiple operations on each item can lead to accidental redundancy. For example, the same operation might be performed more than once, increasing labor costs and time. Solution. Invest in technology, such as a modern warehouse execution system, WES. Barcode scanning can help reduce redundancy in order picking by identifying duplicate picks and notifying users. Messy warehouse layout. Issue. Poorly configured layouts result in inefficient space utilization. The average warehouse capacity utilization is only around 68%, indicating underutilized space. Solution. Optimize the warehouse layout to better utilize floor and vertical space. Efficient layouts reduce time spent searching for items and improve profitability. Inaccurate inventory information. Issue. Manual inventory processes lead to inaccuracies, causing picking problems and wasted time. Workers may go to locations where products aren't available or store items in already full areas. Solution. Implement an automated warehouse management system with robust inventory management features. Automation reduces errors and streamlines inventory tracking. Improper labor management. Issue. Labor costs can comprise a significant portion of the total warehouse budget. Inefficient labor management affects productivity and overall performance. Solution. Optimize labor allocation, training, and scheduling. Consider using workforce management tools to track performance and allocate resources effectively. Safety hazards. Issue. Unsafe conditions can lead to accidents, injuries, and downtime. Common hazards include improper storage, inadequate lighting, and lack of safety protocols. Solution. Prioritize safety by conducting regular inspections, providing proper training, and enforcing safety guidelines. Invest in safety equipment and encourage a safety-conscious culture. Remember that addressing these challenges requires a proactive approach, continuous improvement, and leveraging technology to enhance warehouse operations. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Bye.